Have you ever wondered about the beauty of ornamental grasses? These charming plants are more than just a pretty face. With a diverse range of species, each with its unique appearance, ornamental grasses captivate with their visual appeal. Their adaptability makes them a versatile player in any garden, capable of thriving in various conditions. And the best part? They offer year-round interest, remaining vibrant even in the chilliest of winters. Ornamental grasses, with their variety and flexibility, bring an unmatched charm to any garden. The world of ornamental grasses is vast and varied. We have the fountain grass, a showstopper with its cascading leaves and foxtail-like flowers. Then there's the feather reed grass, tall and elegant, swaying gently in the wind. The blue fescue, on the other hand, brings a touch of cool to your garden with its icy blue foliage. And let's not forget the Japanese forest grass, known for its bright variegated leaves. Each type of ornamental grass carries its own unique charm, enhancing the beauty of your green space. Proper care and maintenance can make your ornamental grasses thrive. The secret is in the basics: the right soil, adequate sunlight, and proper watering. Soil that drains well is a must, while sunlight requirements can vary, so be sure to research your specific variety. Watering should be regular but not excessive, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Don't forget the occasional trim to keep your grasses looking their best. With the right care, your ornamental grasses can grow lush and vibrant, becoming the pride of your garden. Ornamental grasses can indeed be the stars of any garden. Their beauty is diverse, from delicate feathergrass to the striking Japanese bloodgrass. And remember, they're not high maintenance. With the right amount of sunlight, water, and a little pruning, they'll flourish beautifully. If you've enjoyed learning about ornamental grasses, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights.